Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to show your internet speed on Taskbar in Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista and even XP. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. Of course the link will be in the description, but do not download the software and click off from this video, because when you download the installation, this one right here, and when you try to open it, it will give you an error message, and I'll show you how to fix that. And once you finish installing the software will not run automatically and you'll have to run it manually. And of course I will show you how to do that as well. And as I said, the link will be in the description, and once you click the link, it's going to take you to this website right here, NetSpeed Monitor, and to download it, simply click the download now button and it will give you two options right here. The first option, as it says here, it's for x86-bit systems. So in other words, that's for 32-bit systems. Do not get confused that says x86, because x86 is basically x32. It's the same thing, do not get confused with that. And the second option is for 64-bit systems. So if you have a 32-bit system, click the first option. If not, and you have a 64-bit system, click the second option right here. The installation is only 3.2 megabytes, which is pretty small. And yeah, I have already downloaded the installation, so no need to re-download it again. Once you download the installation, this is what you should see right here, this file.msi. And when you try to open it, it will give you an error message, as I said in the start of the video. If I double click the installation, it will give me this error message right here, because this software is not actually meant to run on Windows 10 nor Windows 8, and it's only meant to run on those versions that it has right here. If you are one of those versions of Windows that it says right here, you can skip this part. There is no need to do the troubleshooting method in here, and you can head to the part that I will show you on how to manually open the software. But if you are on Windows 8 or 10 and it shows you this error message, what you need to do, click OK, click Finish, right click to the installation, click Properties, head to the second tab, which will be Compatibility, and then check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for previous versions of Windows. There is only one option, so check this box, click Apply and OK. And right now, if you try to open the installation, it will not give you the error message anymore. As you can see right here, no error message has appeared, and you can click Next and install the software. Click Next. Here there is a donate button if you want to donate. Click Next, check this box right here, click Next, leave this default, click again Next, and then install. The installation will take around 1 minute or so, I will see you at the end of the installation. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the installation finishes, and if you click Finish, you should see this window right here that says, do you want the NetSpeed Monitor toolbar on your taskbar? If you see this window, click Yes, and you will see in the bottom right corner, exactly right here where I do the circle moves with my mouse, you will see the toolbar right here. So if I click Yes, you will see the toolbar right here. If you do not see that window to click yes or no to show the toolbar on your taskbar, what you need to do, open the File Explorer, go to your main hard drive where you have installed Windows, then you need to head to the folder that says Program Files here. And then you need to head to the folder that says Program Files. Before you head to this folder, if you have downloaded and installed the 32-bit software, you need to head to the second folder that says Program Files x86 in brackets. Because for applications that are 32-bit, they will be always installed in here. Whereas if you have a 64-bit like I do, all the software will be installed in here. So you have downloaded and installed the 64-bit software, head to the folder Program Files, then you need to scroll down and find the folder of the software, which will be right here, NetSpeed Monitor. Double click to open the folder, and here there will be only two files, and you need to open the .x file. Double click to open it. For me it does not show it, but when you click it, it will show you the window that showed me around 1 minute ago, and you need to do what I did before, just click yes, and it will show you the toolbar in the bottom right corner. Right now I will do a quick speed test for you to see that it actually works. So I have a link right here to the website fast.com, but before I click it, pay attention to the download and upload, and you will see that the numbers will change. So I'll double click right now and look in the bottom right corner, and the number, as you can see, the download has changed to the maximum possible, which is 51 megabits, and that's my internet speed. And right now in a few seconds the upload speed will start as well, as you can see right here, and in the bottom right corner the same thing happens as well. And yeah, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine without any issues. And yeah, if you want to change the layout or anything else, right click on top of the toolbar and click Configuration where it says right here. Right now you will see a small window with lots of options, and here the first option will be the network interface. If you have multiple internet adapters connected to your computer, you can change the one that you want specifically. I have only one, so I have chosen my main one. You can change the bitrate to whatever you want. I leave it to megabits. I'm pretty sure I'm saying this wrong, but this is what I leave it on, to this option right here. You can change the language. You can even change the font of the letters, and here you can change it to whatever font you want, which is really good. And yeah, that's everything it. Of course, at the end, click apply and OK to save the changes that you have made. And yeah, that's everything it. That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.